Hi, hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharath here. So thank you for all your tremendous support and it is being a motivating factor to make this video. Now, today I have some incredibly exciting news to share with you all that I hope you guys are ready to soar high in the sky with one of the leading India's fastest growing airlines. Well, get ready because IndiGo Airlines is currently on the lookout for talented individuals to join the dynamic team. So that's right, that there is a job vacancy at IndiGo Airlines, and this could be your opportunity to kickstart an incredible career in the aviation industry. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details of these amazing opportunities awaiting for us. So, first of all, let me give you a quick rundown on IndiGo Airlines. Founded in 2006, IndiGo is known for its exceptional service on-time performance and affordable fares, which are having a variety of fleets with a fleet over of 250 aircraft and operating more than 1,500 daily flights. And India has become the go-to-go airline for millions of travelers in India and beyond. The airline's commitment to safety and efficiency and customer satisfaction has earned it numerous accolades and awards over the years, making it one of the most trusted and reputable airlines in the country. Now let's go down to the nitty-gritty of the job vacancy at IndiGo Airlines. Currently, the airline is looking to fill various positions across different departments, ranging from ground staff to cabin crew, from maintenance to marketing. So whether you are a fresh for this career or experienced professional seeking a new challenges, there is a role for everyone at IndiGo. The airline values diversity, creativity, and passion for excellence. So, if you possess these qualities, then you might just be the perfect fit for the Indigo family. Of course, landing a job at Indigo Airlines is no walk in the park. So, the airline has high standards and expects nothing but the best form of its employees. Depending on the position you are applying for, the requirements and qualifications may vary. For example, if you are applying for a cabin crew position, you will need to have an excellent communication skill to warm and friendly personality and a strong commitment to safety and other customer service. On the other hand, if you are applying for some ground staff positions, you may need to possess strong organization skills, attention to detail, and ability to work with well under pressure situations. So, how can you apply for a job at IndiGo Airlines? Well, the good news is that the airline has made the application process simple and straightforward. All you need to do is visit the IndiGo Airlines website, or I'll give the link in the description, and also I'll just pin the first comment for your reference and browse a list of available job openings. Once you have found a position that interests you, simply click on the apply now button and follow the instructions to submit your application. Make sure to upload your resume, cover letters, and any other relevant documents that showcase your skills and qualifications. Remember, first impressions always matters. So make sure to put all your best foot forward. Now let's talk about the perks of working at IndiGo Airlines. Aside from the opportunity to work for a reputable company with a strong brand presence, there are numerous benefits that come with the part of being part of a Indigo family, that is 60 family. Employees at Indigo enjoy competitive salaries, comprehensive health insurance, and generous vacation days, along with various incentives and bonuses based on performance. Additionally, Indigo promotes a culture of learning and development with ample of opportunities for training, career growth, and skill enhancement. So, not only with you, you will be working for a top tier airline, but you will also be well taken care of and given the tools to succeed in your career. In my conclusion, the job vacancy at Indigo Airlines presents a golden opportunity for aspiring aviation professionals to take care their careers to their new heights. Whether you dream of flying high in the sky as a cabin crew member, or ensuring the smooth operations of flight as a ground staff, or contributing to the airline success in marketing or maintenance, there is a place for you at Indigo. So if you have passion for aviation, a drive for excellence, and a desire to be a part of a world-class team, then don't hesitate to apply for a job at Indigo Airlines today and right now. This is the right time to apply for it. Who knows, this could be a start of your exciting and rewarding journey that will take you places you have only ever dreamed for. Fly high with Indigo Airlines and make sure that your career so see you in the skies in one day or the other day. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. That will motivate me to come with the next possible airline videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Tata. Bye bye.